We are introducing the EEG Viewer in VMLpro, a collaboration platform for professionals facilitating the collation, curation, collaboration, and computation of extremely large brain datasets from anywhere at any time. To view a case's recording, click on the recording and it will be opened in the EEG Viewer. You can view the patient's information and you can play the recording. The EEG Viewer has many tools. To see them, click on Tools. There are tools like Events, where you can see recordings events and add new ones. Notes, where you can view the notes available in the recording. VML Pro makes collaboration easy. Each user can enter their comments directly into the EEG file, and an overview of all notes can be seen in one table. There are also tools like Montage Designer, filters, theme color, scale, and more. There's also spectrogram, which you can find by clicking on Analysis, then Spectral. In the EEG Viewer, you can also view videos each positioned at a timestamp. To view the video at the current time, click on Video. The video will start playing in sync with the recording. Medical images like MRI and CT can be viewed in their viewer, where you can see the image details, zoom in and out, and switch between images.